Good morning, Miss Jessica. What's the good word?
Good morning, Mr. Nathan. The good word, four.
Four, the number, like the four-leaf clovers, four as in the number of prongs on a fork, four?
It could be, but I'm thinking four, the number of weeks left in the school year. Counting this week, we only have 4 more weeks. I can't believe the year's ending and we're ending the year off campus.
Oh, 4 weeks. Well, even though we're off campus, we're still planning on doing a lot of the same celebrations that we normally do while we're on it. For example, the elementary school art show is running this week.
Awesome. And the Star Kids Talent Show is going to launch next week. So be on the lookout for links to student performances that are going to be sent out to everyone over the course of the week.
Also, next week, we're going to have our Spirit Week. Monday is a pajama day, so you have a great excuse to just roll out of bed into a Zoom session. Tuesday is potentially another excuse if you wake up like I do and have crazy hair. Wednesday, you can step up your game a little bit because it's tropical day. Think Hawaiian shirts, sunglasses, and sun caps. Thursday, we offer an opportunity to share your appreciation for teachers. You know, last week was Teacher Appreciation Week. This week, we're going to take a day for you to maybe write up a sign or do something to share your appreciation of teachers. And Friday is my favorite day, and it really doesn't need any type of description.
What kind of superhero are you going to be?
I aim to be Pajama Man. Then I can wear pajamas twice next week.
This Spirit Week is going to be out of this world. Speaking of, hey, ES, inspired by all the pop star nominations we've been receiving, I decided to travel off the planet this week. RIS, are you ready for another episode of
Well, she sneaks around the world from India to Carolina. She's a sticky fingered filcher from Berlin down to Belize. Take you for a ride on a slow boat to China. Tell me where in the world is
Miss Jessica.
clue number 1? This planet is the second smallest planet in our solar system.
Hey, Miss Jessica, Mr. Nathan, and RIS.
Whoa, is that another clue? Alien llamas have been found to live in this place?
No, Mr. Nathan. I hopped on Miss Jessica's spaceship without her knowing, so I could offer the second clue. The second clue is this planet has been explored by 7 different spaceships since 1965.
And clue number 3. The English name for this planet is named after the Roman god of war. All right, ES, you know the deal. Take a guess in the link below.
And that's all we have for you this week. Next week, we'll have another shout out to our pop stars.
All right, bye, ES. We'll see you next week.
Bye.